Kipkee DIY Yarn Painting Box. A unique DIY activity that lets young explorers paint like Picasso and create super easy fun colorful designs using wool. Find everything you need for yarn painting in the box. The perfect gifting set having bright colors and comes in a reusable box, has a unique attractive design and super easy to carry. Yarn paint the Kipkee way with step-by-step video and photo instructions for creative thinkers. Enjoy surprise fun activity with your friends and family in every kit. Enjoy quality materials and find fun accessories to make yarn painting super fun and relaxing. Designed by moms to focus on key developmental skills to create attractive patterns and allows parents to display the kids' creativity by framing it for future use. Dive into this delightful world and join our yarn painting tribe to unleash your creativity at Kipkee. One adventure at a time.